Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. He wonders the station never end, but trust progress the analyst. Now, yeah, for the given to una back to back, because for this channel, no leave, no transfer. We say it the way it is. So, my beautiful family, today I can say make I come to slight 1 or 2 points with una. Wonders the station never end. See, if go not go, come go come. You guys know that for a very long time we've been hearing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court 15th day of December 2023. And when this matter broke up, a lot of people ask questions, say, if they did not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on that day, what will happen? I still remember the interview. This person say, if they not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu December 15, say, something go happen, no, blah, blah, blah. The facts, a lot of issues start flying up and down. That is when they just discover or they just declare that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court, that the case has been adjourned to December 15 for hearing, and everybody kept quiet about it. Everybody is hope it's okay. December 15 they will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but as the date they come close, now we are hearing different issue again, that the DSS, they don't allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family to visit him anymore. They don't allow visitors to visit him anymore. As this thing be in existence, or na because say the court hearing don dey reach, or the time when the carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come court don dey reach, now we call dey hear all this story, because we don't understand. At times when there are information, they will not share, but they will wait until that minute when we say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wan appear for court, then they'll call they bring all these things. No, it's not done that way. If any problem they're supposed to they talk and say this is the problem Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is facing, so people will know on time, but they go keep am. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wan go court now, they'll call they bring all the secret. Now they are saying that DSS don't allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family to visit him, blah blah blah. They don't allow visitors. They say the DSS don't even allow lawyer to visit him anymore. The matter e don tie wrapper, e don tie gele. Say where DSS not dey allow court to visit lawyers to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is where you will know that there's something that is not right somewhere. And right now, all what we are now hearing is, DSS don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and Nigeria is being threatened for releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Abba, all these things now, they don't indirectly pass that message to people, say, these people, they not go release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for December 15, because that means they are not even sure. So wetin make me dey really dey talk be say the situation now when e dey gum or dey surround the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that December 15, now we dey question, because a lot of issues, just too many issues this period about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All this why people no dey raise all this issue, all this why say DSS no dey allow lawyers to go visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why is it that these people, they are not truthful to themselves? Because if DSS no dey allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and lawyers to go see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then on our communication with the client, even e no go even work out for that December 15. So that is why they are not coming out to say because they are not allowing them to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But come to think of it, I was thinking there is a reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sacked Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Sir Mike Ezekume. So this new Sam now where the call put, when be say na he call dey lead the legal team, what is really going on? The one they say that is so close to Muhammadu Buhari, the one that they say that is so close to Nigeria, that everything where they do now they put for the center. Is it that DSS still get power pass down? We say DSS don't see they allow that one to enter inside the office, go see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or DSS don't just go see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? This matter is not clear, because 2 weeks to the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or to the hearing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now we call they hear a lot of things. We were not hearing how DSS is doing it. We are not hearing how DSS don't want to release him. We are not hearing that DSS don't want to lawyers to come in. DSS don't even want the family member. They even come to a point where they were saying that there is no visitor. So at this moment, What you can't really want people to do. The people that are really fighting for freedom, una say, what they are doing in certain part of Nigeria is not good. So what do you probably want them to do for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released? Because now for still the same barrister matter here and say, if they did not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu December 15th, it say na be say the country go turn upside down. Yes, una talk am. Say you by Stefan Jeffo said he don't even want to go there because if they did not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu December 15, say something when it not supposed happen, say that thing go happen. But right now, reverse is the case. We are now hearing that, oh, they are maltreating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are doing this, they are doing that, they don't want to release him. No. Because at first, anytime they adjourn the case, you people will be so sure, telling Biafrans that, oh, you people should not worry, the next court hearing, they are going to release him, everything is going to fine. If they did not release him, there will be this, there will be that. But when the time is getting approached, when the time does they reach, when the time does they near, when the time is drawing close, because they see, the story will be different. This is really the part that I don't really understand. The story will be different. Just the way the story is different now. Now they're telling you that, DSS don't even want lawyers to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Can you imagine? So as this thing belong on it, that shows say the lawyers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, of a truth, they are not really visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before. All these things led to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sacking some of them. So this thing that said DSS doesn't start again, not allowing the lawyers when they go visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now it start, all this thing does start since. So now because they won't appear for court now, made people not concerned that adjournment again. No, now because they come, they start to say truth. You guys should be telling the people the truth all along. No matter what. Now make me see they ask question. What about the new psalm when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu put, or when they put, when they say in sabi Tinubu well, say for the Nigeria that they respect him. If he talk the whole water. What is really going on? With the interest of that one too, DSS see they stop lawyers to go see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. DSS now don't even add family members to am. DSS now don't add friends and relatives, that there is no visitor at all visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My people, how una come see this matter? Wetin una think say they really dey play for this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case? Una really think say sit down look where be dog name, so as they sit down they look, the thing they play well, the music when they dance right now, or the music where they sing right now, is the music singing to the right direction of releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? I not really know, but I see make I call bring this matter, I call give una say anytime when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cut here without they drawn here, now there you go they see excuse, now there you go they see many excuse. And Biafra people where they see they follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they don't tire say no na promise or say no December 15 they go must release her. Now December 15 don't they reach. People are now coming out with different talk. But please, I really bring this to you because it has come to what we can no longer take anymore. The deceit is just too much. So please drop your opinion in the comment section. What are you thinking about December 15? Are you seeing changes? Are you seeing positive? Or you are seeing that these people, they go see hardening their heart like Pharaoh? But the advice is, it is better the federal government of Nigeria release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As they talk, it better make the release make peace stay away. So please drop your opinion also for me in the comment section, because I will be in the comment section. I'm still learning. Thank you so much, and keep on sharing this video. Let it go viral, let it go worldwide, let a lot of people see you, because there are still people that still have this type of my mindset, saying that now when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cut here without the wish out they hear different matter or not. Please drop your opinion, and bye bye.